Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix WhatsApp on iPhone. To know how to fix or how to solve WhatsApp on iPhone, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of WhatsApp and you will enter. After that, in this page, you will click clear. You will click here force stop. After that, in this page, you will click storage, and then you will go to click here clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data, and after all that, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.